this has been one of my favorite Eva Cassidy songs since I first heard it around 2005. A girlfriend at the time introduced me to it, 2006 I think it was. And of course it's off her Imagine album from 2002, 6 years after she tragically died in 1996. And I figured it was probably a cover, but I've just never looked it up. And I just found out a few minutes ago that it's a Gordon Lightfoot song from the lyrics from 1975. I've never heard his rendition. I've only ever heard this one, and it's one of my favorites by her. And I also found out after doing a little bit of research that she changed the lyrics up quite a bit, makes it a little bit more innocent. You know, she's not drunk like I think Gordon was in his, and just makes it more about longing, being stuck someplace and longing for loved ones, not having much money perhaps, you know, that kind of thing. But anyway, just the way she puts that usual plaintive feel in it, and of course just her gorgeous voice. So let's jump in and listen to Early Morning Rain. And that acoustic guitar.
In the early morning rain,
So clear.
with a dollar in my hand and an aching in my heart, and my pockets full of sand. I'm a long way from home, and I miss my loved ones so. In the early morning rain, with no place to go, out on runway number 9, big 707 set to go. But I'm stuck here on the ground where the cold winds blow. You can't jump a jet plane like you can a freight train.
You can.
So I best be on my way in the early morning rain.
Perfect.
Hear a mighty engines roar, see the silver bird on high.
She said see.
She's away and westward bound, far above my home she'll fly, where the morning rain don't fall and the sun always shines. She'll be flying past my home in about 3 hours time, in the early morning rain, with a dollar in my hand and an aching in my heart, and my pockets full of sand. I'm a
Jeez, I mean, the way she accentuates with no place. I just love how she puts so much emotion into those one words and then drags them way out also. Just fantastic. And uh, on this one, I especially love how the acoustic guitar, it's a contemplative song. Somebody's stuck, but the guitar gives it movement and optimism, you know? Because if you just read the lyrics or just listen to the lyrics, it's almost sort of a quagmire of the soul, you know? You're watching the plane go, you're not on it, you know? You may have to jump a freight train, but right now you're watching movement. You're watching somebody else is going to their loved ones, but not you, you know? And but the guitar gives a sort of sense of you are going to get there. And it's so gorgeously done. The guitars, I should say, because I think there are two guitars on this. And she plays a mean guitar herself. Anyway, just so lovely. I mean, just her easy vibrato, her soprano, her falsetto, but mostly it's that intangible of the emotions that she puts into her sound that make it so tangibly raw. Yeah. All right. Gosh. It's Early Morning Rain by Eva Cassidy. I just love it. Y'all let me know what you think. I'll catch you soon. Take care of yourselves. Bye now.